have assembled the juicer, turn the power on, and hear this sound. Immediately turn the power off. The most likely cause of this sound is the pulp basket was not seated properly under the juice bowl and is pushing it up, causing it to rub against the blade basket. Or the blade was not tightened enough onto the basket. Disassemble the juicer completely and reassemble. Place the pulp basket under the lip of the juice bowl, then continuing until the basket is completely on the juicer base. And turn on the power.